The Russian Navy had been planning for Mistral-class amphibious assault ships, and the Ka-52K Katran, a naval variant of the Ka-52, has been selected as the new shipborne attack type for the Russian Naval Aviation. However, after Russia annexed Crimea, the sale of the Mistrals was cancelled and they were later sold to Egypt. Egypt subsequently purchased 46 Ka-52s with deliveries extending from 2017 to 2019. However, the Egyptian Ka-52s are conventional land variants, not the Ka-52K. The Ka-52K continued to be developed after that, with the first of 4 Ka-52Ks ordered for the Russian Navy taking off on March 7, 2015. After a period of uncertainty, the Ka-52K's future with the Russian Navy now appears clear. In July 2020, the keel was slated for 2 new Project 23-900 amphibious assault ships in the Zalif shipbuilding yard. Each ship will be able to carry up to 18 helicopters, including Ka-52Ks. The Ka-52K has passed all tests and was ready for serial production as of September 2020. Designed for carrier operation, the Ka-52K was redesigned with floating rotor blades, floating wings, and reinforced landing gear. Since its wings are shorter than those of land-based variants, the Ka-52K only has 4 weapon pylons instead of 6 on the land-based Ka-52. The Ka-52K will also be able to use KH-35 and KH-38 missiles. However, they haven't yet been integrated in the helicopter's mission suite. The helicopter features an advanced glass cockpit, which accommodates 2 pilots in a side-by-side layout. It can be operated by either pilot and is equipped with advanced avionics and powerful weapon systems, which can be configured for different roles. The onboard avionics, with the use of radio equipment and satellite navigation, ensure autonomous landing on the ship deck, and the onboard equipment further makes the helicopter a network-centric system for interaction between the Navy and Air Force. The Ka-52K is equipped with a laser beam guidance system, an organic video processing system developed by KRET. The onboard arbalete radar system allows the helicopter to effectively perform combat missions even in environments exposed to electronic jamming. The helicopter can detect hostile vessels in a range of 200 kilometers. The ship-based helicopter is equipped with a Visberg defense system. SAU-800 automatic control system enables the pilots to operate the helicopter in manual and automatic control modes. The helicopter carries a 2A42 130mm automatic cannon with a maximum rate of fire of 550 rounds per minute. The Ka-52K is also capable of launching KH-31 and KH-35 air-to-surface missiles, similar to the carrier-based MiG-29K multi-purpose fighter jets and Sukhoi Su-33 aircraft. The Ka-52K is powered by 2 VK2500 or VK2500P turboshaft engines, developing a maximum takeoff power of 2,400 horsepower each. The engines provide a maximum speed of 300 km per hour and cruising speed of 260 km per hour. The helicopter has an operational ceiling of 5,500 meters and can climb at a maximum rate of 16 meters per second. The practical and theory ranges of the rotorcraft are 460 and 1,100 kilometers, respectively.